All right, guys, gotta watch this video. Just install some amazing lights. Watch this. Alexa, turn on lights. Look how well lit this area is. The lights I had before, they were definitely not as good as these lights. So I just installed these from XMcosy. They have a down light, early light, and an upper light. So I really like the look that it gives. Maybe you wanted to give it a little ambiance. Alexa, outdoor living, purple. Let's see what it does. Check that out, guys. Maybe we can get it to match the hot tub, you know? So you can see how fun these are, and they're totally smart, integrated to Alexa routines just fine. Check out the video. Hey guys, Jmart here, and I got a fun product that we'll be reviewing today and installing. So this is from XMcosy Small Wall Light Fixtures. Let's take a look inside. So I have tried some of their other products that I have for our landscaping lighting that's turned out very well for what we do for our holiday decorations and light shows. So look at that, guys. That looks pretty awesome, right? So we got a down light and an up light, and then the main light fixture here, and they're supposed to be doing all the different colors and all that fun stuff with it. So pretty simple, standard installation. You got your ground and your black and white wires, and then it does come with all the screws and your wire connector nuts here and stuff like that. So it should be a pretty straightforward install. So you can download their app, and I use everything through Alexa, so it should coordinate for Alexa routines and stuff like that. Like I said, it'll be kind of nice to tie these light fixtures with the rest of our lights that we do for our normal ambiance lighting and then our fun holiday lighting that we do. Some things I want to point out that would make the installation a little bit simpler and easier is that these wires here are pretty short. If they were a little bit longer, it would have made it a little bit easier to make sure that the wire nuts were snug and tight, screwing them in, just because we're pretty short. So this one I really like. The part that's nice about this, they have a lot of different slots so that according to the junction box here, you can line it up usually with any junction box. I do like that design because it gives that flexibility. So once we get everything going, we're coming into the spring right now. This area is kind of a little mess, needs to be cleaned up, but once I get it all tidied up, I'll show you, and it's gonna be a really cool ambiance. You guys are gonna be impressed. All right, guys, it's gone and dark. I had to light the fire, but we got them installed. So there's one of the light fixtures from XMcosy, and there's the other one. Let's see how well it lights up this outdoor living area. Got it connected to Alexa. It was pretty simple, mostly probably because I've already used their product before. Hit add device, found it was already in sync mode, and just added it, threw it right onto Alexa. Probably one of the easier add-on products I had, but like I said, I had it on before, so it made it very simple to add additional fixtures from XMcosy, and they have their own app. All right, let's try it out. Alexa, turn on lights. Check that out, guys. Really adds a lot of good lighting in here. Did not have that before. And the other parts that I love too, you know, so we're gonna look at installing these on other places around the house too. But we can change the lights. So look we got the hot tub over there, right? So it's kind of like a blue, bluish purple. Let's try that. Alexa, outdoor living purple. Alexa, outdoor living purple. Alexa, outdoor living purple. Just like that, guys. Look at that. Totally changes the ambiance of the area. So freaking cool. And we got the hot tub there. Oh my gosh, this really ties in this area. So check out these lights. They're on Amazon. Definitely worth taking a look at. Easy installation. Integrates into your smart home. That's what you're looking for, right? Convenience. Love it.